Hi there, welcome back to the ClickTime Channel. Every day we consult with organizations looking for the right time management solution. Through these discussions, we've identified some common factors that are often overlooked when choosing a platform. That's why we're going to share 7 key considerations to keep in mind before you purchase time tracking software. Let's get started. Number 1, consider whose opinion matters. You won't be the only person using the time tracking software. Depending on your company's needs, other employees will use the software for different purposes, such as allocating project labor costs, ensuring employees are using their time efficiently, and generating invoices. Given the disparity of objectives, it's best to get all the stakeholders together early in the decision-making process. By gathering everyone's needs and requirements, including nice-to-have features, you'll ensure that the chosen software aligns perfectly with your objectives. Number 2, consider the user-friendliness of the platform. The ideal time tracking tool should be intuitive. A complicated system will waste more time than it intends to save. Check to see that your system has the following capabilities. Employees can easily monitor their progress against set time objectives. Managers have visibility into who is or isn't logging time regularly, and administrators are able to set user permissions without a hassle. Moreover, the platform should be available wherever your users prefer to work, on their desktops, on mobile devices, or even from a third-party application like Slack. Number 3, consider the app's integration capabilities. Timesheet data incorporates information about projects, people, and finances. So your new software should seamlessly integrate with other tools in your arsenal, be it HR solutions like HiBob or Bamboo HR, or ERP platforms like Sage Intacct or NetSuite. Think about how you'd like your data to flow. If you aim to create your own bespoke integrations, ensure the software has robust APIs. However, if crafting your own integrations is out of reach, look for a vendor with a dedicated professional services team to assist in creating the workflows you need. Number 4, consider the quality of the reporting features. The reason you track time is to pull out the data you need most, summarized and organized the way you want it. Not only should your new system provide out-of-the-box insights into team productivity and project costs, but it should also offer a level of customization that matches your needs. While some platforms may rely on third-party integrations for reporting and data visualization, others, like ClickTime, offer integrated business intelligence features, delivering a comprehensive view of time, resources, expenses, and budgets. Number 5, consider the scalability of the service. Think toward the future. If you expect growth in team size or project volume, your software should be able to scale with you. It should facilitate easy additions of new users and offers features like single sign-on and skim provisioning for streamlined user management. Ask about the platform's uptime history, service level agreements, available user support, and training resources. These are indicators of its reliability. Number 6, consider the software's security and compliance. Employee time information is sensitive data, so security is non-negotiable. Ensure your chosen software is up to date with best security practices, encryption standards, and relevant regulatory compliances, regardless of where your users are located. Ask for details. Transparency in their security policies is a positive sign. And finally, number 7, consider the anticipated cost and ROI. While it might be tempting to opt for the most economical choice, remember that quality often correlates with price. Compare the software's features with its cost, considering both initial and recurring expenses. As you budget for this investment, also ponder on the expected return. Will the ROI manifest as time saved, elevated productivity, happier employees, or perhaps enhanced billable rates? Consider your anticipated 3-year total cost of ownership and ask about term discounts. Time tracking software can deliver vital organizational and productivity benefits, but like any mission-critical software, careful research will yield the best choice for your needs. By bearing these 7 factors in mind, you'll be well equipped to select a platform that not only meets immediate requirements, but also supports your organization's long-term goals. If you'd like to learn more about what time tracking software best fits your organization, go to clicktime.com and schedule a demo with one of our experts. See you next time.